Yo guys, what's up? It's George and today we are going to be joined with Oliver and he's doing his video himself.
Yeah, so guys,
no copyright there,
yes.
no copyright there.
So guys, I just want to say, go check out George's channel because we're going to make a trampoline video.
Subscribe to me at George Horn.
Yes.
Gone too far,
yeah.
not.
And so yeah.
Yeah, you need to say it, you need to say it.
We're going to basically just do like a trampoline video.
And subscribe to OllieExplosions, the
Yeah.
link will be in the description.
Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Just go and check out his video on his channel at George Horn. So I'll see you guys with another video.
And I'm going to teach him how to do a backflip for one.
Yeah, so bye.
Get pumped for that.
Okay,
I think you're going to break your neck.
It's only 44 seconds.
Yo guys, what's up? It's George. Right, so let's get to it. We're going to be doing with Oliver and press next. Not upload it. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, press next.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, okay, hold on. Quick thing to say. Call it quick thing.
I was just going to say check out George Horn.
Right.
I don't know how to spell get.
I will. So
Go check out George Horn.
yeah.
You're
Right,
still
take over
recording.
my vlog.
Okay. Hello.
But always plug for one.
Yes. Go and subscribe to me at OllieExplosions.
Like and subscribe to George Horn, but sorry, no merch.
You
link
know
in bio.
you've actually only got like 8 subscribers. The rest are just your account.
No.
Okay, that was good.
No, it's because I only have like 8 accounts.
And
So most of them are actually real.
yeah, but also I've got you to subscribe. Whatever. So, woo. You've got like 10. I've got like 10. It's actual subscribers. I've got like a lot of people that watch my videos though.
I do.
I get more views than you, George.
I get 100.
I get 30 views a day. And you get 4 views a day. Oh, just joking. Check out George Horn, yeah.
Upload. Yeah, it's uploading.
It's going to be really quick because it's 44. Yeah. Hold on, can you take over the vlog?
Yes. Right, yeah, it's uploading real quick.
Yeah. Wait, hours is remaining. What the? Oh yeah, because your Wi-Fi is slow, isn't it?
Yeah, go put it inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and wait for it to upload. Right, yeah, so Oliver, don't forget to take your shoes off when you go on trampoline. Right, yeah. So I'm just going to do a backflip with you guys really quick. I know it's sort of white, even though it's white. Sorry if it's not dark. I like dark a bit more. Alright. Yeah? Grab the handle, then twist it up. Then push. Right, let's go. Right, let's actually do it from here. Go to the south. Sorry if it's like really bright today, but it's about 8 million degrees. 8 million degrees today. Alright, 360. You may not be able to see me, really. I meant 180. Because I can't do 360. Ouch. Right, wait, I've got to turn the brightness down.
Wait, does your thing have electric shocks, your trampoline?
No.
Oh, because mine did. Hashtag in the comment. Wait, is it still recording? Yeah. Hashtag in the comments below. Get George to release softcore someday.
I am! The video just didn't upload. Right, do you want to see a 180 backflip in person? Wait, don't open it because I might fall out.
Okay.
180 backflip in person for Oliver. Very lucky. Let's do this. I'm going to do 360, but...
Yeah. Oh my god, you like George
Well,
Commando.
I'm starting back.
How the hell?
I'm like spazzing in the air.
I like a lock on this.
I'll just jump in. Screw this.
Oh my god. It kept changing. My upload kept changing to 1 minute to 2 hours.
Yeah, I know.
It does that so many. So yeah.
Oliver, this is how I learned how to do it.
Oh, should I take my socks off?
No.
That's what creates static electricity.
Yeah, and you like slip.
Yeah, and also you can get a static shock, which is I hate them. That's one of the reasons why I got one of my children.
Look. So here's how I learned how to do backflip. Like this. You guys should
Wait, hold on. Can I do my front flip first?
Yeah, right. Right, stand there. Right, here we go. I can't land one. Or two. No, try. Wait, are you able to jump any higher, like this high?
I'll try. Yeah, I'll try. Hold on.
Then
Stand back. George, you stand back. You dying?
Alright, hold on. Right, ready? I'll try and do this.
Oh, I need that. I can bounce and land one nearly.
I mean like this, look. Try, bounce a couple more times, and as soon as you start getting really high like this,
Yeah.
go like this. And grab your knees.
Yeah, I can't do that. Always
Bounce for
I
quite
always
a while. I nearly broke my leg when I did that sky high.
I did the
bouncing
flip.
up. Okay, George, come on, I'm ready. Alright.
Really? Because I go to the ground a lot.
Guys, here, I'm going to teach Oliver how to try a backflip. So this is how I started off, like this. That's a leap.
Okay, honey.
Then it has, then it's quick, then move quick.
Yeah, okay.
Going like this. This is the whole thing. Went like that, and whilst pushing my hands down, just like.
Honey, so can I do the first step? Real
Yeah.
quick.
Start
So-
bouncing, then you push your legs.
So like this.
No, not like that. Like,
Push your legs.
yeah, and then when you want to go back,
This is how you do it.
yeah, when you want to go back, spring your legs there, then backflip, but not like that. Oh, really?
I'm just a little bit afraid. I don't know why.
Oliver, I was really scared when I first
No,
done it.
because I was really scared when I tried to front flip. Oh,
Or try it like this. As you're starting, wait, you may want to move. Go like this downhill.
Okay.
Backdrop backflip.
Okay.
It's actually easy. Just let it go, make you go back. So yeah, do a backdrop. No, a backdrop when you go like this. So look how I do it. So then. Okay, that's what
So
you do.
like just fall.
Yeah, just like jump back onto your back.
Oh god, no.
Onto your back like
Oh yeah,
this.
onto my back.
Put your
It's
hands
so
like
hard to
this.
do.
It is pretty hard though. Okay, let me show you. Right, just literally fall back.
Oh no, I did it on my bum again.
Or just go like this. Yeah, okay, that might be easier. Wait, don't bounce. Don't bounce.
Oh, okay.
Don't bounce. Just fall back.
Oh, I
Really?
can't. Because I'm
And
literally.
then, look, just go like this, fall back, and then like, you know when, how people sweep your legs?
Yeah.
Just go like, pretend someone sweeped your legs, right?
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Oh,
Nearly. No, but not like really fast, like that.
Yeah, okay.
Do like,
Just do
do
like
like bounce.
Like
And
pretend
go
like.
Yeah, okay, hold on. Oliver, you can do it. Or try this. Go down, like, start looking around and fall back. Let someone sweep to your legs. Just look around for a bit and fall back like someone swept your legs. And then try landing on your back.
Hold on.
Like,
But I want to try the spring thing again. Because I
Right, yeah. Yeah, that was a bit easier for me.
Oh, hold on. I think.
Oh, do it downhill. That could be easier. Because when you do it downhill,
Yeah, it's like a hill, isn't it? Yours.
like this.
Your garden. Okay, hold on.
Then it won't really hurt your head if you land on top.
Oh,
Or like that, try landing on your back like, then going back.
yeah, but that was actually pretty close. But I just like.
Oh, nearly. Try springing your legs a bit more.
Okay.
And push with your hands as well.
Because I'm just. Hold on. I just want to try this real quick.
No, I can't. Oh, nearly.
Let's try this again.
No, for the thumbnail, teaching Oliver how to do a backflip. Brackets gone wrong.
Yes.
Don't thumbnail, guys. Don't. Oh, that was a bit better. Wait, it's still recording. Yeah, still recording.
Oh god. George, what the hell? Let me try again.
Wait, hand. I want a front flip.
Try actually trying to do a front flip.
Yeah, right. Try. So here's how you land. So look at me from the side.
Yeah.
Technique is look at my legs the whole time. Bend them just as you're like.
Well, like this. Like bend them like that.
No, bend them like. So watch me. Watch my this bit on my leg.
Okay, I see.
So bend them where you're like there, like you're tucking them, and then straighten them.
Okay.
Oh, you can do it.
Oh, hold on. I think I went too close. I thought I was going to crash in there.
You won't, because look, I'm doing a backflip from here, or back handspring, or back foot.
Okay.
And land in the same place.
Okay, you ready? Yeah.
Come on. Oh, that was close. Oh, if you do it like this, if you don't bounce too high, like how you bounce like this, try it like this, but without being yourself in the face. Okay? Ow. I think